Hi everyone, I wanted to talk a little bit today about the class I'm taking this term, Writing for Environmental Professionals. This is week 1 for us, and overall it's kind of a refresher for most of us to kind of remember the things that high school and even middle school kind of taught us, and starting to build more onto that. What we started this week for homework is working on our final project. We were able to pick our topics, and we tried to pick topics that are things that we're interested in and things that are kind of close to the heart and close to home. So I chose the prairie lands here in the Great Plains and Midwest, and it's a lot of fun to look into these things and bring more eyes onto a topic that's not really talked and discussed a lot about. So overall, it's been a really fun week, and hope everyone's had the same. Hi everyone, welcome back for our second week with Writing for Environmental Professionalism. This week was a lot of just looking at different sites, getting information for what's going to be our final project. I was able to look into what I could a lot more about prairies, about the animals, and just overall ecosystems that rely on this area. And when it came to that part, it was a lot of fun doing the research and being able to learn more about this topic in this area that I call home. Hope everyone had a good week, and talk to y'all later. Hi, welcome back for week 3. We're halfway there to the end of the term with Writing for Environmental Professionals. This week was a lot of fun for me. We got to play around with some Instagram and Twitter, like fake feeds, but overall being able to learn how to develop photos to get the meaning of what you're trying to portray in your articles and your project was a lot of fun for me. We also got to play around with slogans from some of the articles and other materials that we had found in week 2, and overall projects come together really great and having a lot of fun with it. So I hope everyone is having a great week, and talk to you later. Hello everyone, we're at week 4, almost to the end with Writing for Environmental Professionals. This week was pretty much a catch-up week. We did a lot of editing for our final project, and we, in addition to that, also made a mini TikTok presentation over whatever our topic was. And you could use either a screencast or an Adobe program to be able to do this. It was a lot of fun. I got to put a lot of the research that I was doing for it into play, and overall just a fun little project that we had. I hope everyone is having a good week, and talk to you all later. Bye! Hello and welcome back to finals week for Writing with Environmental Professionals. It's a pretty laid back week this week, basically doing some editing and overall just getting projects completely done, getting layouts done for our little marketing manual that we did for our final. But other than that, it was pretty calm, relaxing week, just nitpicking the little things at the end. For all of those procrastinators, this week does give you a lot of time to be able to get those final little bits that need to get done and still have enough time to do it. I don't advise procrastinating, but it happens. Well, I hope everyone's had an amazing 5 weeks with us, and talk to y'all later. Bye!